Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Krish.
Which class are you studying?
Nursery,
What is your school name?
National Play School.
Shall we start GK questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is our country?
India,
Which is our state?
Karnataka,
National animal?
Tiger,
National bird?
Peacock,
National flower?
Lotus,
National tree?
Banyan Tree,
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು. National game?
Hockey,
National river?
Ganga River,
National song?
Vande Mataram,
National anthem?
Jana Gana Mana,
King of jungle?
Lion,
Which animal is which is the fastest animal?
Cheetah,
Which animal has long neck?
Giraffe,
Which animal has black and white strips on his body?
Zebra,
Ship of desert?
Camel,
Baby of hen is called?
Chick,
Which bird doesn't sleep at night?
Moon,
King of flower?
Rose,
Brain of computer?
CPU,
Monitor looks like?
TV,
King of fruit?
Mango,
Who teaches us in the school?
Teacher,
Which animal hump on its back?
Camel,
Baby of dog is called? Puppy.
Puppy,
Baby of cat is called?
Kitten,
India capital?
New Delhi,
Karnataka capital?
Mangaluru,
Goa capital?
Panaji,
Bihar capital?
Patna,
Father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi ji,
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
August 5th,
Name the colors of national flag.
saffron, white, green,
What is there in the middle of the national flag?
Ashoka Chakra,
Favorite food of Lord Krishna?
butter,
Gujarat capital?
Amravati,
Gujarat capital? Gandhinagar.
Gandhinagar,
Himachal Pradesh capital?
Simla,
Biggest state?
Rajasthan,
Biggest bird?
Hummingbird,
Rajasthan capital?
Jaipur,
Where do birds live?
Nest,
Who wrote Janagana Mana?
Ramindranath Tagore,
What is the color of parrot?
green,
Maharashtra capital? Mumbai.
Mumbai,
Telangana capital?
Hyderabad,
Assam capital?
Dispur,
Smallest state?
Goa,
Smallest bird?
Hummingbird,
Telangana capital?
Hyderabad,
Tamil Nadu capital? Tamil Nadu capital?
Chennai,
American currency?
Dollar,
Indian currency?
Pound,
Indian currency?
Rupees,
UK currency? Pound.
Pound,
Pair currency?
Yen,
Dubai currency?
Dirham,
Hen gives us?
Yak,
Cow gives us?
Milk,
Sheep gives us? Wool.
Wool,
Honeybee gives us?
Honey,
Who brings us letter?
Postman,
Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki,
Fish lives in?
Water,
Monkey lives?
Tree,
Lion lives in?
Ten,
Dog lives in?
Tunnel,
Very good. Name the directions: east,
East, West, South,
north,
North,
south.
South,
Which bird cannot fly? Ostrich and penguin.
Ostrich and Penguin,
Largest continent? Ali ma'am na nodu.
Asia,
Baby of ship is called?
Lamb,
Which is the festival of lights?
Deepavali,
Baby of pig is called?
Piglet,
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi,
Electronic City of India?
Bengaluru,
When do we celebrate Children's Day? November.
November 14th,
Which is the longest river? Nile River.
Nile River,
Name any 5 farm animals. Dog,
dog, cat, cow, sheep,
goat.
goat,
Name any 5 wild animals. Lion,
lion, lion,
tiger,
tiger,
cheetah,
cheetah,
giraffe,
giraffe,
elephant.
elephant,
Name any 5 flowers. Rose,
rose,
lotus,
lotus,
jasmine,
jasmine,
sunflower,
sunflower,
marigold.
marigold,
Cow lives in
shed,
horse lives in
stable,
hen lives in
yolk,
coop.
coop,
Carrot is good for our
ice,
baby of hen is called.
silk,
How many traffic lights do we have in traffic signals?
red lights,
Name them. Red,
red, yellow, green,
red indicates,
stop,
yellow indicates,
white,
green indicates.
go,
Largest animal,
African elephant,
shape of a samosa.
triangle,
Who brings gift on Christmas? Santa Claus.
Santa Claus,
When do we celebrate Christmas?
Santa Claus,
December
December
25th.
25th.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.